Hi beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you are highly and so welcome. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to get rid of wrinkles from your hands and your fingers. Okay, so the thing is that when you have those rough looking hands, and if your hands are so coated with dead skin cells and your hands are looking darker than your normal color on your face and also on your neck, man, you tend to have this old looking appearance when it comes to your hands, because you know that your hands are actually very exposed and you use your hands so much for house chores and all of that. So you need to exfoliate those dead skin cells and have a glowing, fresh and a younger hand. So I have a treatment that will do that for you. So don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. Alright, let me get you right into this video. For a younger looking hands and a more fresher hands, guys, you're going to be needing to use coffee. You can use this finger coffee, or you can use your coffee grain, and then you blend it and you have your coffee. Okay, because coffee helps to scrub out dead skin. It also helps to remove cellulites, and it helps so much in getting rid of lumpy tars and all of that. So it's gonna be perfect in making your hands look super young. Okay, so you're gonna be grabbing a bowl, and then you're just going to open the coffee, you pour it into the bowl, and this particular finger coffee is about half 1 teaspoon. Yeah, so 1 teaspoon of coffee is actually perfect in case you're actually grinding your coffee. The next ingredient is brown sugar. Now if you don't have brown sugar, you can actually also use white sugar. Now this contains a smaller granite particles that help to scrub out dead skin cells on the skin. It helps to review a brighter skin. It also helps to shrink the size of the pores and remove excessive oil. So it's going to help to make your hands looking super duper young. So what you're going to do is that you're going to take the quantity in which you actually want. Okay, if you want it to be much, you take about 4 tablespoons, but I'm actually going to be needing just 2 tablespoons, which is what I put in here. And then you mix it all up. Now mine is looking this way because there was a little bit of water in the bowl. That's why it's looking mixed already, but you have to mix your ingredients first of all. Then you're going to be needing to use baking soda. Now baking soda helps so much to scrub out dead skin cells, removing dark spots. It stops the growth of pimples, and it also removes fine lines, and it helps your skin really soft. So scrubbing the hands with it is going to be perfect, and it's going to make your hands look super duper soft and glowing. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be putting in about half tablespoon of this. This is actually very required. Okay, if you must skip any ingredients, you don't have to skip the baking soda. Basically that is what is going to help other ingredients work really fine. Yeah. And then we're going to be making use of Fuller's Earth clay powder. This clay powder helps to absorb excessive oil. It helps to leave the skin looking super smooth and looking super young. So mixing it all up with this other natural ingredients would help your hands look super duper young and beautiful. So you're going to be needing about 1 teaspoon of this. You do not need Fuller's Earth too much in this. Instead, you can put in much quantity of the baking soda. and it's gonna be looking somewhat like this, yeah. And then we're gonna be needing cucumber. All right, cucumber juice helps to absorb and it helps to make your skin super duper young. Cucumber juice is one perfect ingredient that helps to remove wrinkles and it helps to fight fine lines. So cucumber juice is required so much in this remedy. Okay guys, so since I have half cut of my cucumber, we're still going to be making use of that. So blending time, you're going to blend or you're going to grate. I'm actually going to be grating this. So now we would have to get the juice out of this, and we need much juice from this cucumber. So you're going to press it this way in case you're doing it my way, okay? You're going to press it to extract the juice. This juice is perfect. So what we're going to do is that we're going to turn the juice in the mix and make sure it is actually not too liquid. So we're going to mix it really well. And this consistency is perfect. Right guys, so what you're gonna do is that you're gonna grab this and then you're going to use that to scrub your hands. Now you're gonna notice some particles, which is the sugar particles, the baking soda particles, and also the coffee particles. Now these 3 particles would help to leave your hand looking super duper young, so you do not need to worry. You just scrub with this, okay? And also remember to scrub your palm, yeah, because most people, their palm is actually very thick, okay, and strong, especially in this time where the weather is actually dry in this my side, okay? Just like this. Scrub in a circular motion like this. Alright, make sure to scrub the upper hand, yeah, because in most people's hand you tend to see that the upper hand is actually dark. So after scrubbing this, then you clap your hand together and then you scrub it. Now this will enable your palm really soft, okay? Okay guys, so for this ingredient, if you have this rough looking dry old hands, you have to scrub with this every day. So make this and store it. You don't need to put it inside a refrigerator. Store it like that. It's going to stay for like 5 days, okay? And then you scrub it every morning for 5 days. Now you're gonna see a whole lot of difference, a whole lot of difference on your skin. Now your hands is actually gonna get lighter because of the baking soda, and also it's going to whoop out all of the dead skin cells. That is actually what's going to make your hands lighter, because when the dead skins are removed on your hands, it's going to reveal a brighter new skin. You know, the skin has layers, okay? So when the dead skin up here is gone, you're gonna see a newer skin which is more lighter and more smoother. Okay, so that's what you're going to be scrubbing. Now remember not to scrub too much. Don't scrub too much so that you don't bruise your skin, yeah, but scrub in a minimized level where the dead skin cells will be gone and you're going to achieve your aim of scrubbing. So basically that's it. Okay, so my hands feel super duper soft, and oh my god, it's lighter. Okay, it's not as if it's going to like bleach you, it's going to remove dead skin cells. So that is actually what is going to make your hands look lighter and softer, and all of this edge that you have, those dark stuff going on and dark knuckles, everything will be gone and you are going to be loving your hands. So scrub this every day, yeah. So that's it, guys. If you did enjoy watching this, man, do this as often as you can and you are going to be loving it, yeah, because your hands is going to be looking fresh, it's going to be looking smooth, it's going to be looking really, really beautiful. So I will see you soon in my next video, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and bye guys. Mwah.